What the heck is the Buga sphere? A snippet you may have missed. In March 2025, a mysterious spherical object, dubbed the Buga sphere, reportedly landed in Buga, Colombia. The Buga sphere has become one of the most talked about discoveries in recent months due to its mysterious nature and the strange circumstances surrounding it. It was found in the small town of Buga, Colombia, after being observed descending from the sky in a highly erratic manner. Witnesses described the object as initially glowing with strange colors, almost as if it were interacting with atmospheric conditions before finally landing. The object is said to be spherical, weighing about 4.5 pounds and roughly the size of a grapefruit, making it manageable in terms of weight but large enough to capture attention. The scientific community first got involved when the sphere began showing anomalous physical properties. It remained remarkably cold to the touch, even after being exposed to sunlight, and would emit plumes of smoke when exposed to water, suggesting it had some form of chemical or energy reaction occurring within it. These reactions raised initial suspicions of some advanced, unknown technology. However, the object's surface did not seem to belong to any known materials, and its features appeared to be the result of a highly advanced manufacturing process. When X-ray scans were conducted on the Buga sphere, they revealed a structure that could not be easily explained. The interior was composed of 3 distinct metallic layers, with an array of 18 smaller, perfectly symmetrical microspheres surrounding a central nucleus. This intricate structure didn't resemble anything from Earth's technology, and there were no visible seams or welds, which is highly unusual for anything that would be man-made. This reinforced the theory that it might be an artifact created by an intelligence far beyond human capabilities. Adding to the intrigue, researchers discovered strange markings on the surface of the sphere, which seemed to resemble a variety of ancient scripts. These included symbols that looked like runes, ancient Sumerian or Mesopotamian writing, and even forms of Ogham script. AI was employed to decode these markings, and while the results were inconclusive, they suggested that the symbols might carry messages about consciousness and humanity's place in the universe, suggesting a potential alien connection. Interestingly, one of the scientists who came into direct contact with the Buga sphere reported falling ill shortly afterward. Symptoms included dizziness, nausea, and an inability to focus. While this may be an isolated incident, it raised concerns about the potential dangers of interacting with the artifact. Given these unsettling effects, some researchers suggested that the sphere might be emitting some kind of radiation or electromagnetic energy that is harmful to humans. Despite the Colombian government showing a strong interest in acquiring the object, the local individuals who discovered the sphere have reportedly refused to relinquish it, citing their belief that it is not just a scientific curiosity, but potentially an important cultural or even spiritual artifact. This has led to tension between the local authorities and the finders, with international agencies offering assistance to study the object further. Theories about the sphere's origins remain speculative. Some believe it could be an ancient artifact, perhaps linked to extraterrestrial life or a lost civilization, while others suggest it could be a form of advanced technology from a future human civilization or even an experiment gone wrong. Whatever its origin, the Buga sphere remains a source of intense fascination and ongoing investigation. In any case, the discovery has ignited discussions around the world about the existence of extraterrestrial life and the potential for humans to one day make contact with other civilizations, whether they are from Earth's past or from distant parts of the universe. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, follow, and leave a comment sharing your thoughts on the Buga sphere.